Absolutely. HPS pigs are super flexible, which means they can travel through 1.5D 90-degree bends while still maintaining their full recovery rates.
Yes, definitely. We offer fully customised pigging solutions tailored to meet every customer's specific needs. Nearly every solution is unique. However, most of the pigging systems we supply fall into one of 4 basic categories: single pig system, double pig system, dual pig or tank drop-off.
Yes, we fit pigging systems into existing process pipelines and new plants. Our design team will work with your team to ensure that the pigging system fits perfectly into your process pipeline or your new plant.
Pigs don't actually move on their own. They're pushed through pipelines by liquids or gases. In industrial pigging, we like to use carbon dioxide, filtered air, nitrogen, water, or even the next product.
The pressure required can vary depending on the system, but generally the pressure needed to push the pig is lower than product pumping pressure.
Pigging and the CIP process go absolutely hand in hand. Because the pig recovers 99.5% plus of all product from in the line, there's barely a trace of product left. This means the CIP process itself is a lot quicker, there's less product to remove, it's a lot more resource efficient, it uses less water, it uses less chemicals, and it uses less energy.